Let's paint some white roses. I'm working from real white roses that I collected from my grandma's garden. And working from life is really good for your art. It's also more challenging than working from a photograph. So I put a contrasting black and green background, and for the leaves I just put some basic block colors because I didn't want them to become too tight, and so I just kept them pretty loose. I started with yellow and then light green and then the dark green over it because these leaves and roses are backlit. Now I'm putting the shadows and the light in the roses. You see how there's a yellow background in both of them? And again, that's because the light is shining through them from the window into the studio. Now I used really loose brush strokes from gray over the yellow background so that I would see where the petals would go. And I did not copy each petal quite exactly, but then I went back and added the lighter parts so that I could get more accurate shapes of the petals. I really like how the big rose turned out because this is what I was hoping to achieve, the fluid shapes of the petals and the fun brush strokes just going around making the shapes of the rose just like how it grows. And then I went back and really took my time and I allowed the original yellow to continue to shine through, and that worked really well. Now my biggest challenge painting these was the gray areas. It's a rather elusive color on the real roses, and you could see them there on the left hand side. So I painted this canvas and a couple smaller canvas boards because I feel like there's something more I can achieve with these. And the gray, I was not completely satisfied with the gray color, but then I look at the real roses, I'm thinking next time I try this, I'm going to try playing with some cream colors. And it looks like there still would have to be some gray, but really playing with some cream colors and the values of the yellow and cream to create the shadows. So that's my plan for next time. But for this one, I'm pretty happy with how dimensional it turned out, and especially this nice big rose. I really like it because it just flowed very nicely. So now you can watch me finish up this canvas and then paint two more smaller ones.